Hi students, in this exercise we will learn how to create surface from points group in Civil 3D. Usually existing surfaces are created from data collected from topographic surveys. From the data, a set of relevant surface points can be isolated by defining a point group. This point group is quick mean of adding points data to a surface definitions. Points group already has been covered in the previous chapter. So in this exercise we will build first basic surface with a point group. I am not going to introduce you again about points group because we already covered them in the previous exercise. So already we have some points group in this exercise drawing. You can download this drawing from the description link. When you will open, you can see many points in your drawing area, and here we have 3 points group: all points, master it, and topo shots. Now we are going to create a one surface using topo shots. So let's start our exercise. First of all, go to create ground data panel, and here we have surfaces. Just click on surfaces and then click create surface. When we will create surface, it will open up with a dialog box, and here in the name we can put the name for the surface, which is existing ground. Then you can put any name according to your points data. So second thing, we need to choose style for the contours. If you are working in meters, it will show you in the meter, otherwise it will be in feet. For now I am going to put 0.5 meter for minor contours and 2.5 meter for major contours as a background style. These are contours interval. Then press OK, and again press OK to close your dialog box. When you will close your dialog box, your surface under the surfaces is highlighted existing ground. It's already created, but you can't see any contours here because we already create our surface, but we did not put any data into our surface. So now we are going to put points data in our surface to show the contours surface in Civil 3D. How can we do that? If you are looking for surface is in prospector tab, then you can see here tiny sign of plus. So click on the plus sign, and again here we have existing ground, which is our surface. Then expand this. Again you can see 3 options. Now we are going to expand the definitions. After expanding definition, we have many options to add the data into our contours surfaces, to make contour surface, and here at the end we have points group. You can right click on points group, and then you will see many points group which you have in your drawing. So now I have all 3 points group, but I will go with topo shots. Then click on topo shots and just press OK. It should be created as a contour surface in your drawing. So you can see we have already contours in our drawing. When you will click, it will show you a complete Civil 3D surface. Hope you like this video. For more Civil 3D surfaces related videos, stay with us for next exercises.